Hi teachers, Emma at Cool Plus here, and today I have a really fun free lesson for you. It's years 3 and 4 science, and it's called Puddle Detectives, the Great Water Cycle Escape. This lesson is supported by a YouTube video on the water cycle, and we also have a free presentation that you can access in Canva, and the link is here. This lesson is structured in the explicit teaching model. So it's set up in the I do, we do, you do, and reflection time. It's a really fun one. It's essentially getting the students excited to investigate a real life mystery about water, talking about a big rainstorm where they've observed some puddles and why they might have evaporated. I hope you enjoy. So I've just gone to coolplus.ai and I've logged in with my verification code via email. And when I come in, I land on this home screen. So here we have 3 options. We're able to create a lesson from scratch. We're able to build out an entire unit, or we're able to find an existing done for you resource from our library. But today we're going to be designing a lesson from scratch. And I'm going to be doing the Victorian curriculum, the subject of science, and for levels 3 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down here and select the curriculum descriptor. I'd like to look at the water cycle. So I pick this one. And to keep it fun and interesting, I'm going to put in the theme of puddles in the schoolyard. And then I come down here and press create. And I think one of the main things that is exciting about Cool Plus is we bring in a lot of real world examples. Really engaging activities come out. I'm really keen to see what comes out for puddles. So here we go. Lesson's ready. And the lesson plan is called Puddle Detectives, the Great Water Cycle Escape. And it says, this lesson explores the formation and disappearance of puddles as a relatable example of the water cycle. Students will investigate puddle behaviour, hypothesize about the water's journey, and connect their observations to the concepts of evaporation or condensation. And so as you can see, we've got the summary, learning intentions and success criteria. And down here, where we do the learning activities, we include a really interesting section around why it matters. And then we split it up into the hook, which is essentially an introduction activity, dig in. So this is the 30-minute activity called Puddle Patrol Investigation. And then we have take action, where we're actually doing an engaging activity. And so one of the things we're able to do in the lesson plan right away, so we can review it, but we're able to edit it directly in line here. And so what I'm going to do today, I don't know if you realize, but we have a area in Canva called Education, powered by Cool Plus, and it has a heap of free presentations and worksheets. And today I found one called Exploring the Water Cycle, which is Science Year 4. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure I've got access to that on the day, so I'm just going to copy that link. And I'm just going to pop it in there so I can click on that. I'm also able to insert images by clicking the icon here. And the other one is videos. So we also have a YouTube channel that has a number of educational videos. So we have one called What is the Water Cycle? So I'm just going to copy that link again. Just going to come back to the presentation, the lesson plan, and I'm going to pop that in. And now we have that video in there ready for the lesson. So I'm going to click Save Changes now. And over on the right here, we have a big menu of items that means that you can essentially make this lesson plan your own. You're able to generate supporting materials such as a worksheet and also adapt this lesson. So to give you an example, if you are teaching the Explicit model, guided practice and independent work, we're able to restructure that lesson plan. So I'm going to click that. Gives you a preview. So I'll click that. And what it will do is bring down those I do, we do, you do, and of course the reflection time. Let's restructure that lesson plan. So I'm going to approve those changes. And lastly, we always want to do a worksheet. So let's just create one of those to support this lesson. So what it does, it creates a worksheet. And over here on the left in your filing area, you'll be able to access that worksheet within the lesson. And so again, if you need to, you can adapt these questions or you can add in your own. And I'm going to click Save Changes. We're back to that lesson plan and we're done. For now, I will leave it at that. You're also able to download that lesson as a document or a PDF. And secondly, if you would like to share this directly with your colleagues, there's a share button. You just come down here and copy that link. I will have this lesson plan down in the description, free for you to access. Happy Science Week.